there's one story that you won't want to miss. Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Justin Piñon.
This night is special. I prepared something special for you guys. So I'm gonna tell you a very beautiful story. There's a story na nabasa ko a long time ago. Simula to sa police station, may tumawag sa kanya. Tapos hindi sumasagot yung tumatawag sa kanya, hindi sumasagot. Tapos parang medyo nainis yung police. Sabi niya, alam mo ba na yung ginagawa mo is a federal offense? Diba? Masama yun. Hindi mo pwede nukuhin yung pagtawag mo sa amin. Tapos maya-maya lang, biglang may sumagot na bata. Sabi dun sa police officer, I want you to help me find my mother. Sabi nung police sa kanya, bakit? Ano nangyari sa kanya? Saan mo siya huling nakita? Masagot sa kanya, she's in heaven. Pero yung sabi sa akin ng daddy ko, napatahimik yung police officer. Sabi na, ano yung itsura ng mommy mo? Sabi na marami daw siyang headscarves with different colors. And every time she wears it, she looks beautiful. And last week lang, galing daw silang hospital. Ngayon hinahanap na yung mama niya. Napatahimik ulit yung police. Sabi niya, sige ganito. Maghanap ka ng salamin, sabihin mo sa akin pag nandun ka na. Sabi ng bata, I'm here. Tapos sabi ng police, nakikita mo ba yung sarili mo? Makikita mo yung sa face mo, yung pagkakaparehas ninyo ng parents mo, lalo ng mami mo. And with that, naiintindihan ka niya. So kahit saan man siya, I'm sure, nararamdaman din niya yung nararamdaman mo. Tapos natahimik ulit yung police. Sabi niya, sige, ganito gawin natin. Next time, kung umalis kayo ng daddy mo, pag meron kang nakita nagtitinda na pulang logo, bilhin mo yun. Pabili mo sa kanya. Tapos, magsulat ka ng letter. Kung ano gusto mong sabihin sa mami mo, isulat mo doon, tapos pakawalan mo. And I'm sure, matatanggap na yun. Ang sagot ng bata sa kanya, should I believe you? Sabi ng police, sinabi niya sa kanya, sa bata, yung buong pangalan niya, kung ano yung position niya sa force. And sabi niya, policemen are honest people. Sabi ng bata, okay. Tapos sakto, umalis sila ng daddy niya one weekend. May nakita siya nagbebenta ng logo. Sabi niya sa daddy niya, Dad, bili mo naman sa akin yung red balloon. And without any hesitations, binili sa kanya yung balloon. Tapos sabi niya, you know what, Dad? Can you buy me all the red balloons? And binili nga na. Tapos pag-uwi, nagsulat kagad yung bata, nilagay niya doon sa red balloon, pinakawalan niya. Pero bawat sulat niya every month, every day, kung malulungkot, like, where are you, Mom? I miss you. I'm very sad. And after many months, sakto, nung magre-retire na yung police, may natanggap na naman siyang tawag. Yung bata ulit. Sabi sa kanya, sulat ako ng sulat, pero hindi naman ako i-reply ng mami ko. Sabi ng police, ikaw ba to? Sabi niya, yes. Hindi ba yung nag-reply sa akin yung mami ko? Sabi ng police, alam mo, baka nagbabakasyon lang siya. Gawin mo lang yung ginagawa mo, magsulat ka lang sa kanya palagi, and I'm sure, sasagutin ka niya one of these days. Baka busy lang siya traveling. Pagkababa ng phone, parang natahimik na naman yung police at nakonsensya siya. And after a few days, may bumusina sa labas ng bahay ng bata. Isang maraming patrol ng police na may mga nakasabit na pulang logo sa lahat ng police cars nila. At nakita ng bata, lumabas yung officer, binigyan ng mas maraming pulang logo. At sabi ng police, alam mo, nakuha ng mami mo yung sulat mo. Sabi niya, congratulations sa school mo, ang galing-galing mo talaga. Magsulat ka lang daw sa kanya, and masaya siya na nagsusulat ka palagi sa kanya. Binigyan ng mas maraming logo, at everyday, nagsusulat na yung bata. This time, mas masaya na siya. Kasi sinabi sa kanya ng police na natanggap ng mami na yung letters. And after a few days, research more siya dun sa bata. Pumunta siya dun sa school, inalam niya yung mga grades. At everyday, siya mismo yung nagre-reply dun sa bata. Binibigyan ng gifts. And from sad letters from the kid, nagiging happy na yung sulat niya sa mami. After this, after learning this story, na-realize ko, our emotions, pwede natin, or our experiences, pwede natin maiba based kung paano tayo mag-isip. And I'm sure, kayo din, dahil na-realize ko, after reading that story, na-realize ko, bigla akong napatext sa mga magulang ko. Kasi buhay pa sila. Ngayon, I'm sure, meron kayong mga kakilala, mga mahal sa buhay, na buhay pa, at gusto niyo sabihan kung anong na-feel niyo ngayon. Am I correct? Yes. Okay. Ngayon, na-realize ko, hindi ko na pala kailangan hintayin yung moment na mawala sila bago ko sabihin yung kwento na yun, bago ko sabihin yung feel ko. So right now, everyone, I want everyone in this room to be involved. I want you to think of someone special, and I want you to think a message na gusto mong sabihin sa kanya. And I'm going to help you send that to that person. Meron na ba kayong naisip? Yes? Nung sinabi ko kanina na mag-isip kayo ng tao, sino dito yung immediately naisip nila yung love life nila, asawa, boyfriend, girlfriend, taas ang kamay? Medyo marami. But I'm more interested sa ibang klaseng mag-isip ng tao. And actually kanina ko pa nakikita yung red bonnet mo. Kasi dahil sa red balloon. So siguro bagay na bagay ganito. Let's give her a big hand. Please come up on stage. Okay. Can I borrow a microphone, please? Please come up on stage. Sit down. Alright. And please tell us your name.
Hi, my name is Carol.
Hi, Carol. Nice to meet you, Carol. So, here's what we're gonna do, Carol. I want you to focus on that important person in your life. Don't tell us, but just focus on him. When you are thinking of this person, parang nararamdaman mo na may halong saya at lungkot. Yes? And you really miss this person. Pero not in a way na, kasi mag-araw-araw mo siya kasama. Yes, you see this person every day. And when you think of this person's face, imagine mo yung face niya. Okay, good. Parang mas matangkad siya sa'yo ng konti. Short hair. Yes, short hair. Someone close to you. Pero nung sinabi ko malungkot, parang may nafe-feel ka na hope. You want to tell her something na parang kaya mo yan. I'm not sure kung tama ako, but I'm not sure if you're comfortable with this, but is this person parang may naramdaman siya? Yes? Yes. May naramdaman ba siya something sa paa niya? Parang on his or her, maybe veins or something, parang gano'n. Yes! Okay, ito, you can tell the audience, I have no idea kung ano yung sino mo yung taong yun. Yes? Sige. Please think of your relationship with this person. Think of his or her name, and think kung ano yung, okay, this is someone close to you, really close to you, and you see this person every day. This is a female, yes? Yes, nagkaroon kayo ng maraming pagsubok. Actually, may mga times na nag-aaway kayo. Yes? Alright, for the first time, loud and clear sa mic para maginig nila. Ano yung, not the name first kasi gusto ko subukan hulaan yung later, but ano yung relationship mo sa kanya?
She's my mom, mother.
Thank you very much. Let's give her a big hand. Next, I want you to think of her name. Right? Think of her name over and over again. Napag-imagine mo na malapit siya sa'yo. Say her name. Hi, I'm okay, good. You're thinking of a letter C, yes? Sana tama ako. I'm not spot on with names, pero sana tama ako. This is what I'm getting from her. Okay, nababasa niyo ba? Yes, okay. Now, loud and clear, what is her name?
Carmen.
Carmen! Thank you very much. And yung object na parang nagbaband sa inyo is necklace, right? And immediately, meron ko moment na naalala na may kinalaman dun sa necklace na yun, am I correct? Maybe you gave her something like that or she gave you something like that. And nagkaroon ng maraming memories na masaya because of that object, am I correct? Now, kung nare-recall ninyo dun sa story kanina, ang message na binigay na, yung way ng pagbigay niya ng message is through a red balloon. Yes? Okay, so we never talked about kung ano yung gusto mong sabihin sa mommy mo. Am I correct? Yes. Nakatago lang yun sa isip mo all this time. Am I correct? Yes. Now, let us send that message to your mother. Okay? Through this balloon. And you know what? can you detach that balloon? Sa taas parang, meron siya, carefully let get your mic. Carefully detach the balloon. Itanggalin mo lang itong part na ito. Tatanggalin. Yes! And I want you to carefully shake. Pakinggan kung may laman wala. May laman. Okay. Now, I'm gonna get this knife and I want you to hold it like ganyan. Okay. Brace yourself. There's something. A letter. Ano yung una mong nakita? Ano nakasulat sa labas?
Mom.
Nakalagay?
Mom.
Buksan mo yung letter. Buksan mo yung letter. And to recap, what's the name of your mom?
Carmen.
Carmen. And tell everyone before you open that pala, ano yung gusto mong sabihin message sa kanya?
Mom, I love you and get well fighting.
Get well fighting. Mom, I love you, get well fighting. You never told me that, right? Actually, ngayon tayo nagkakilala.
Yeah.
Okay, open. Ano nakasulat sa labas?
To my mom, Carmen.
To my mom, Carmen. Open the letter. Basahin mo sa amin lahat ang nakasulat. From the top.
Okay. Ever dearest mom, I want you to know that I love you so much. Get well and keep fighting.
Carol, your name is Carol, right? Ano nakasulat?
Love, Carol.
Love, Carol. And, P.S.?
P.S. I have something for you. Check the envelope.
And it is a necklace. Thank you very much. That's for you. Please send my regards to your mom. You have kids. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. It's good. And I'm not sure how you can relate with this story. Hindi ako sure kung nakaka-relate pa. Kung feeling ninyo kayo ba dito yung tatay, yung police, yung bata, or yung mother. But I want you to ask this question to yourself. Sa buhay ninyo, sino yung kulang mo? Again, I'm Justin Quinyon. Thank you. Thank you guys.